Lucknow has been the seat of power for the northern kingdom of Awadh, and even today continues to be a political hotspot, capital of Uttar Pradesh, and as well as a very important place politically. But if it is something which is even more important than politics and power, is the food. One of, I would say, if not the most important, but one of the most important places for cuisines coming out of North India is Lucknow. The amazing recipes, and in this episode I'm going to cook one of the recipes from the Awadh kingdom, Lucknow, and it's called Awadhi Kali Mirch chicken. Don't forget to watch the episode, because apart from the recipe, I'm also going to be sharing with you the difference between khajur and khajur.